You know what's funny? Most women over 60 avoid maxi dresses because they think it makes them look older, shorter, or like they're trying too hard. But here's what nobody is telling you. The women who look the most effortlessly stylish, the ones you stop and stare at in the grocery store, at church, at family reunions, they are wearing maxi dresses. And they are doing it all wrong by the old rules and completely right by the new ones. So before you skip past that maxi dress on the rack, or push it to the back of your closet, stay right here. Because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you 5 genius styling hacks that are going to completely change the way you see maxi dresses and the way everyone sees you in them. And the best part? You do not need to spend a fortune. Everything I am sharing today works on a real budget, for real women living real beautiful lives. Welcome back, beautiful. If you are new here, oh my goodness, you picked the perfect video to land on. This channel, Glow at Every Age, is your cozy little corner of the internet where we talk about looking and feeling absolutely amazing after 60, without draining your wallet or your energy. We keep it real, we keep it fun, and we always keep it stylish. So if nobody has told you today, you are gorgeous and you deserve to know it. And to my returning ladies, welcome back home. I see you, I appreciate you, and as always, this one is made with so much love just for you. Now real quick before we dive in, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a video. We post tips every week designed specifically for women like you. And trust me, you do not want to miss what is coming up. And if you find even one tip in this video helpful, drop a comment below and tell me which one. I read every single one and I love hearing from you. Okay, are you ready? Let us get into it. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at a maxi dress in a store and thought, that is beautiful, but it is just not for me anymore? Maybe someone told you once that long dresses are not flattering past a certain age. Or maybe you tried one on years ago and it just felt like too much fabric and not enough wow. Well, I am here to tell you today that those thoughts, every single one of them, are based on outdated rules that were never really made for women like us anyway. The truth is, maxi dresses are one of the most forgiving, most elegant, and most versatile pieces a woman over 60 can own. And once you learn how to style them the right way, you will wonder why you ever kept them at a distance. So let us talk about 5 styling hacks. And I promise you, these are not the same tired tips you have seen 100 times. These are the kind of tricks that make people say, wow, how does she always look so put together? Hack number 1. Treat the waist like your secret weapon. Most women put on a maxi dress and let it hang. And that right there is where the magic gets lost. Here is something I want you to think about. Your waist, no matter what size or shape, is the most powerful styling tool you have on your body. And a maxi dress that has no waist definition can swallow you whole. But the moment you create that gentle break right at the middle of your body, everything changes. You suddenly look taller, more intentional, more polished. Now you do not need a tight belt or anything uncomfortable. What you need is something soft and simple. A thin fabric sash tied loosely. A wide soft belt in a matching or contrasting color. Even a long line cardigan left open and pulled slightly to one side at the waist can do the trick beautifully. The goal is not to cinch. The goal is to suggest. Just a little nod to your shape is enough to transform the entire look. Try it with your next maxi dress and watch the difference. It is honestly one of those things you cannot unsee once you see it. Hack number 2. Use your neckline to frame your face, not your body. Here is something the fashion world does not talk about nearly enough, especially for women over 60. The neckline of your maxi dress is not just about the dress. It is about your face. When someone looks at you, the very first place their eyes travel is your face. And the neckline of what you are wearing acts like a frame on a beautiful painting. Get the frame right and everything in it looks stunning. Get it wrong and even the most gorgeous dress can fall flat. So here is the hack. When you are trying on or shopping for maxi dresses, do not just look at the dress from a distance. Stand close to the mirror and look at how the neckline sits in relationship to your face, your neck, and your shoulders. A V-neck gently opens up the chest and draws the eye upward in the most flattering way. A scoop neck is soft and feminine without being too revealing. A square neck gives structure and frames your collarbone beautifully. And if you already own a maxi dress with a neckline that does not quite work for you, do not get rid of it. Layer a delicate necklace just above the neckline to redirect attention, or add a light open button-down shirt over it and pop the collar slightly. You are essentially redesigning the frame around your face, and it works every single time. Hack number 3. The shoe trick that adds inches without heels. Okay, this one is a favorite, and I say that with full confidence because it surprises so many women when they try it. One of the biggest complaints I hear about maxi dresses from women over 60 is that they feel too long, too heavy on the body, or like they are being shortened by the dress instead of elongated. And 9 times out of 10, the problem is not the dress at all. It is the shoes. Here is the hack. Wear a shoe that closely matches the color of your dress or the hem of your dress. When your footwear blends into the length of the dress rather than cutting it off, your legs appear longer, and your overall silhouette becomes one smooth, unbroken line. And that single unbroken line is what makes a woman look taller, leaner, and incredibly elegant. You do not need heels. A flat sandal in a nude or matching tone works perfectly. A simple slip-on loafer in a complementary shade does the job just as well. Comfort and elegance are not opposites, and this trick proves it. Your feet will thank you and your mirror will too. Wait, before we go into the last 2 hacks, I just want to pause and say if you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up right now. It truly helps this channel reach more amazing women just like you who need to hear this. And if you have a friend or sister over 60 who would love these tips, share this video with her. That is the kindest thing you can do today. Okay, back to the good stuff. Hack number 4. Print placement is doing more than you think. Now this one is a little more nuanced, but once you understand it, you will never shop for a printed maxi dress the same way again. Most women pick a print because they love the colors or the pattern, and that is a beautiful instinct. But here is what to also pay attention to: where the print is placed on the dress and what that placement is doing to your body visually. Large, bold prints that sit at the widest part of your body, whether that is the hips, the midsection, or the bust, will naturally draw the eye to that area. That is just how the human eye works. It follows the loudest thing in the room. So if you want to draw attention to your upper body, choose a dress where the print is more concentrated at the top and fades or simplifies toward the hem. If you love a full print dress, choose smaller, more delicate patterns that keep the energy light and flowing rather than heavy and stationary. And here is the golden rule that works for almost every woman. A solid top half with a printed skirt portion or vice versa gives you the control. You decide where the story is being told. You decide where the eye travels. That is real power dressed up as a maxi dress. Hack number 5. The one piece of jewelry that changes everything. Last one, and I saved this for the end because it is so simple that most women overlook it completely, and yet it is one of the most transformative styling moves you can make. When you wear a maxi dress, especially one that is elegant and flowy, the temptation is to go big with accessories. Statement earrings, a bold necklace, stacked bracelets, all of it at once. And sometimes that energy is exactly right. But most of the time, what actually elevates a maxi dress look to something truly memorable is one single well-chosen piece of jewelry that feels slightly unexpected. Not cheap, not costume, not trying too hard. Just one piece that has a story, a presence, a little bit of personality. Maybe it is a pair of long drop earrings in a warm gold tone when you are wearing a cool colored dress. Maybe it is a single cuff bracelet on one wrist that catches the light when you move. Maybe it is a delicate layered necklace that sits beautifully against your neckline. The contrast between the effortless simplicity of a maxi dress and one intentional piece of jewelry creates what stylists call a focal point. And a focal point is what turns an outfit into a look. It is the difference between someone saying you look nice and someone saying, "Where did you get that? You look incredible." So there you have it, beautiful. 5 genius styling hacks for wearing maxi dresses at 60 and above and looking absolutely amazing while doing it. Let us do a quick recap so it stays with you. Number 1, treat your waist like a secret weapon and give it a little definition. Number 2, use your neckline to frame your face, not just fill the dress. Number 3, match your shoes to your hem and create that beautiful unbroken line. Number 4, pay attention to where the print is placed and let it tell the story you want. And number 5, choose one intentional piece of jewelry and let it do all the talking. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these hacks are you trying first? Drop it in the comments right now. I genuinely want to know, and I will be reading every single reply. If this video added something to your day, please give it a like. It truly means the world and it helps this little channel grow into something even bigger and better for all of us. And if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button. Join this community of radiant women who refuse to shrink, and come back every week for more tips that celebrate exactly who you are. Until next time, keep glowing, because gorgeous has no expiration date.